You've been looking at your phone since you woke up this morning. If you don't leave soon, you'll spend more time in traffic than at work.
I know, Mom. I'm just checking a few work messages because my manager sent some important updates late last night.
These days, your entire life seems to be inside that phone. Every time I see you, you're checking messages or replying to emails.
That's because almost everything important is stored on it. My contacts, photos, banking apps, work documents, and personal notes are all there.
That's exactly why you should be careful whenever you're outside. Losing a phone can create a lot of problems.
Don't worry. I always keep it safely in my pocket and make sure I know where it is.
That's good to hear. Now finish your breakfast and leave before you're late.
All right, Mom. I'll see you in the evening.
Excuse me, could you move a little? It's extremely crowded today.
Sure. I don't think I've ever seen the train this packed before.
Morning rush hour is always busy, but today feels much worse than usual.
I can barely move my arms. It feels like we're all standing shoulder to shoulder.
That's why I always keep my wallet and phone secure during crowded journeys.
That's a good habit. There are so many people around that it's difficult to pay attention to everything.
Exactly. One moment of distraction is sometimes enough to lose something important.
Hopefully today goes smoothly because I already have a busy day waiting for me at the office. Excuse me, do either of you know what time it is? I need to reach the office quickly.
It's 9:15. You seem worried. Is everything all right?
Actually, no. I was about to check my phone, but I can't find it anywhere.
Maybe it's inside your bag. Have you checked properly?
I checked every pocket and every compartment in my bag, but it's not there.
Are you sure you had it when you boarded the train?
Yes, I'm completely sure because I checked a work message just before getting on.
Then there's a chance it fell somewhere during the journey.
Or someone may have taken it while the train was crowded.
That's exactly what I'm afraid of right now.
You should call your number immediately and see what happens.
That's a good idea. I'll try that right away.
Here, you can use my phone to call your number.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help. It's ringing.
That's a good sign. Maybe someone found it.
Wait, it stopped ringing.
Did anyone answer?
No. The call disconnected.
Try calling again.
Now it's switched off.
That's not a good sign.
I had a feeling something was wrong, but now I'm almost certain it was stolen.
Don't panic. There are still things you can do.
I'm trying to stay calm, but all my important information is on that phone. Can I borrow your phone one more time? I need to call my friend.
Of course. Go ahead.
Hello. Who's this?
Rahul, it's me, Aman.
Aman. Why are you calling from a different number?
My phone is missing, and I think it was stolen during my train journey this morning.
Wait, seriously? Are you sure you didn't leave it somewhere by mistake?
I've checked everywhere. My pockets, my bag, and even the station platform, but I can't find it anywhere.
Alright, first of all, try to stay calm because panicking won't help you think clearly.
That's easier said than done. My contacts, photos, banking apps, and work files are all on that phone.
I understand. Where are you right now?
I'm still on the train. I just realized my phone is missing, and I think it was stolen during the journey.
Okay. Stay calm and get off at the next station. Then call me again if you need anything.
All right. I'll do that. Thanks for helping me, Rahul.